Hello, 10th grade. This video is for you. I am creating, this is Ms. Paulson. Instead of doing a quiz for our area unit, we're going to do a little project to demonstrate our understanding of area. And what I'm going to ask you to use is your birthday numbers. So let me demonstrate what that is. For those of you who were in my class last year, this should be familiar to you. We did a couple projects like this. But if you weren't, I want to make sure you understand what I'm talking about. So first of all, when's your birthday? My birthday is August 3rd, 1975. So my birthday is in the summer, and my birthday month is 8. My birthday is 3, and my birthday year, I'm just using those last 2 years, 75. Now, your birthday might be December 1st, 2005. This is a student's birthday in our 6th hour 10th grade class. Now, this student, notice, was born on the 1st. And I'm asking if your birthday was in January, say the first month of the year, or if your birthday was on the first of the month, like this student in December, please choose a different number than 1. Also, don't use 2005. Unless you want to, I would encourage you to use 5 or 6 for your birthday year. So for example, the student that was born on December 1st, 2005, their birthday numbers could be 12, 5, and then one other number, let's say 9. As you can choose any number you like as long it's not 1. Thank you. And then submit it. Next, here is the plan. Right now I'm creating this video, but you will watch this video to see how I use my birthday's numbers to demonstrate area. Here are the formulas that we will use that we've generated in our class. And then you'll also read a rubric. And come back to this slide anytime you need to use these formulas. Or you can use your notebook. Please make sure to read the directions. Follow the directions to create your area assessment. Make sure you're submitting in each sketch your work. And then self-assess on the last slide. Let me demonstrate 2 examples for you. Here we are with a rectangle. I am going to use 75 for my area. I'm going to use the larger of my birthday numbers. And my height, I'm going to leave as 8. And so I'm going to label my diagram. My height is 8, but my area is 75. I don't know the base of the rectangle, but I'm tired of writing with this pen. There's a quicker way to do it. Click on the T. That's text. And there I have labeled my diagram. And now I'm going to go over here and show my work. One thing I would encourage you to do is change your style to the largest font. I would also encourage you to use black so it can be nice and clear in your work. Notice that I am in the math writing text. I know area is base times height. And this times was found with an asterisk. Shift 8. But I also know the area is 75. That's equal to 8 times the base. And so what I'm going to do is divide both sides by that 8. Just reaching for my calculator. 75 divided by 8 is about 9.4. So base equals 9.4. And I have solved for the base of the rectangle. The next example requires me to use all 3 of my birthday values. I'm going to find the area of a trapezoid. I'm going to go back to those formula pages. Trapezoid, right here, we have 2 bases. We add them together, divide by 2, and times the height. And so I'm going to use base 1 as 75, base 2 as 8, and then a height of 3. So let me label where all that information is. So the height is 3, one base is 8, and another base is 75. Okay. So I've labeled my diagram. I'm now going to go type my equation. Area equals, oops, and I forgot, I want a large size. See how that changed the size? Small, medium, large. And we'll change it to black. So the area is 1/2, 1/1 divided by 2 times base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So now I'm going to substitute my values. A equals 1 divided by 2, parentheses, 75 plus 8, and then times my 3, my height. So now I'm going to go to my calculator. I'm going to add 75 and 8, and then I'm going to divide by 2. And I get 41.5. So to show one more step of work, A equals 41.5 times 3. And we get an area of 124.5. One thing I just forgot on my other page were units. So please make sure you have given some kind of units. I'm going to give all of these units meters. And so this would be meters squared if I have the area. And then the final answer will be 9.4 meters. Okay, this one I'm going to do centimeters. And so that means this area is centimeters. Shift 6 will bring up the exponent. And these are 2 of the examples that you will create in your assessment. Thank you for watching the video.